Hi guys, here we've got Narzo 50i Prime, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. So at first, open Settings, then find and select Accounts, and click on Add Account. Pick Google obviously, and now just provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. And click on Next then. Now enter your password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is, so just tap on Next. And now decide if it is your device of your kiddos. Click on Next once it is picked. Go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. Tap on I agree. Accept. And that's it, your account is added, so here it is. And then whenever you wish to remove account, reach accounts again, pick the account to remove, select remove account, and confirm it by tapping on remove account. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.